Hello friends, today baby is going shopping. Let's see all the fun shopping items. Are you ready? Let's go shopping. Shopping cart. This is a shopping cart. Baby pushes the cart carefully. Apple. This is an apple. Baby puts the apple in the cart.
You got this, sweetie.
Hey, Apple! That's my big helper. Ingo! More Fanta!
Banana. This is a banana. Bananas are yellow and yummy.
Yummy bananas! It's a pie! Yeah.
Milk. This is milk. Baby drinks milk every day.
Look at all the milk, sweetie. Which one do you want?
Okay, you can get it. Be careful. Got it!
Good job picking the milk.
Bread. This is bread. Fresh bread smells nice.
Ooh, fresh bread. It smells so yummy. I love it.
Juice. This is juice. Juice is sweet and tasty. Cookies. These are cookies. Baby loves crunchy cookies. Candy. This is candy. Candy is colorful and sweet. Ice cream. This is ice cream. Ice cream is cold and yummy. Toy teddy. This is a teddy bear. Baby hugs the teddy tightly. Ball. This is a ball. Baby likes to play ball. Doll. This is a doll. The doll is cute and pretty. Shoes. These are shoes. Baby wears shoes for walking. Hat. This is a hat. The hat looks funny and cute. Backpack. This is a backpack. Baby carries toys in it. Toothbrush. This is a toothbrush. Baby brushes teeth every day. Soap. This is soap. Soap keeps hands clean. Water bottle. This is a water bottle. Baby drinks water from it. Cake. This is a cake. Cake looks yummy and sweet.
Wow! It's so pretty! Mom, sit! Yay, cake!
Checkout counter. This is the checkout counter. Baby pays for shopping here. Shopping is fun. Which shopping item do you like? See you in the next fun video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Bye friends.